This is DJI Spark, and today I will quickly show how you can reset your camera preferences and settings back to their original or factory default values on this drone. So first you will need to enter the camera view of the DJI Go 4 app. Here, tap at the icon you'll find below shutter button, doesn't matter whether you are in the photo or video mode. So tap here. If you are in the video mode, then select the video camera section, or if you are in the photo mode, select the gear icon or section, and from here just tap at the reset camera settings option. Then press OK to confirm, allow a few milliseconds for the camera and for the camera view to be rebooted or reloaded. And well, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.